Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you will gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term position I have on the pocket option platform here, looking to capitalize off the short-term momentum and also cover some of the things to keep in mind when looking to day trade binary options for consistent trading results long-term. Now, it's important to note that profiting from day trading binary options requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, and most importantly, risk management. Firstly, aspiring day traders should educate themselves about the underlying markets that binary options are derivative of. Learn to use technical and fundamental analysis and other various trading strategies. Next, you should devise a well-defined trading plan including specific entry and exit points and also position sizing. Stay informed about the underlying market's trends, and news is essential for making informed decisions on the market. Emotional control is crucial. You want to avoid impulsive decisions as much as possible because those will be the most common reason to lead you to losses when trading. Chasing losses are another form of that as well. Furthermore, day traders must be vigilant and avoid overtrading. Consistent practice, continuous learning, and adaptability are key if you want to refine your skills and ultimately achieve long-term consistent trading results in the dynamic world of day trading. Remember, success in day trading binary options relies on patience, meaning you want to wait for the market to present you with these opportunities. Do not go seeking them out or manufacturing an entry if all of the stipulations of your trading plan are not met. Stay disciplined and also maintain a long-term approach and continue to improve where you see fit. All of these have helped me to formulate better trading plans and to stay more consistent with my trading entries and my trading results long-term. With all that being said, guys, if you want to learn more about exactly what I look for when trading, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. I have the educational package where you can learn my entire strategy in a multi-video series, exactly what I like to look for when entering on a position, combining different forms of technical analysis for key entry points. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade on a daily basis, 5 days a week, Sundays through Thursdays. If all of this sounds interesting to you, be sure to check out the resources down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. This time we are in on a nice in the money position here for a buy position, just looking to capitalize on the short-term momentum to the upside and gain a nice tidy profit here in the short term. A simple and straightforward position here with a fantastic risk to reward ratio for everything that is combined together to present us with this perfect storm trading scenario here. As I often mention, guys, you want to let the market present these perfect storm trading setups for you, not to force a trade or search out for an entry opportunity. You want to allow the markets to bring those positions to you and then capitalize on them accordingly with a proper risk to reward ratio as you see here. Alright everyone, here we are at expiration for that trade. A fantastic finish overall with a well anticipated profit at the conclusion of that position. As stated, a straightforward, nice setup there for us. Multiple areas of confluence stacked in our favor to garner us a nice entry with the time allotted until expiration there. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe for more. As stated, this position had multiple areas of confluence, and I actually cover that with the resources in the description below, the top link being the Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering trades, just like you see here. by combining different forms of technical analysis to find these setups. Alternatively, I offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter or exit a trade within a moment's notice, 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting, then definitely be sure to check out the resources below. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there. Catch you next time. Peace. Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you'll gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront.